A shocking legal twist, ladies and gentlemen. The High Court has stopped the construction of permanent churches and other religious buildings inside the State House. And all official government residences, not only in State House, but zote. Justice Mwita issued conservatory orders after Transparency International Kenya, the Kenya Human Rights Commission, and other lobby groups filed a petition questioning the mixing of religion and state functions. This ruling has immediately raised political tensions and sparked a nationwide debate. Hii ni kitu ilitokea juzi, like 2 months ago, but Wakenya wakasema kwamba the church is not supposed to be built in State House, and the president said that hakuna mtu atamuzuia kujenga kanisa. Welcome back to my channel, ladies and gentlemen. This is DMTV Kenya. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and join this wonderful house as we break down Kenya's hottest political stories. And also don't forget to go back and watch my 1 or 2 videos. Today, I want to look at a very powerful move by the High Court that has put President William Ruto's State House under legal scrutiny. The order stopping religious buildings inside State House is not just about law. It touches politics, religion, and the future of President Ruto's style of leadership. The case was filed August 20th by Transparency International Kenya, the Human Rights Commission, and other lobby groups. They argued that allowing the construction of permanent churches inside State House, it passes the line between religion and the government. And now, this could violate the constitution. Now today, Justice Mwita agreed that the matter is urgent and serious. And that's why he issued the conservatory orders, temporary orders, that freeze any construction until the case is heard free. Now the respondents now have been given 7 days to respond, and the case will be highlighted in court on November 2025, or on the 18th. And this is not just a legal matter, ladies and gentlemen. It is a political earthquake. The president has heavily used religion, prayers, and religious symbolism in his leadership. So, wale ambao wata criticize kazi yake, or wale ambao wanaendelea, they have argued that he uses churches to secure political support. By stopping churches in State House, the High Court has essentially put his political style in trial. Na ni ukweli, mtakumbuka vizuri sana on during the campaigns 2022 how they used churches, and the opposition this time will see this as a victory. They have repeatedly said that religion is being misused for politics, and for them, this case is proof that the president is mixing church and state. On the other hand, the president's allies will argue that the ruling is an attack on freedom of worship. I want to tell you that expect heated debate in parliament, rallies, and even church pulpits as this ruling sinks in. Hawatatulia, nao wamepata ila kitu wataenda kutumia kucampaign. And for ordinary Kenyans, I want to tell you that the issue raises deep questions. Should the president's residence be turned into a place of worship? or should the State House remain a neutral ground for all Kenyans, regardless of faith? These are the conversations that will shape the coming weeks. Politically, ladies and gentlemen, to me this could hurt Ruto's grassroots appeal. And many Kenyans, especially in Mount Kenya and Rift Valley, see him as a God-fearing leader. If his critics will paint this ruling as proof that the region is being abused, it may weaken his strongest card. At the same time, ladies and gentlemen, if the president's team spins this as the courts attacking God, it could rally his supporters even more harder. Another angle is the symbolism here. I've seen this, that State House has always been a place of power, not prayer. Uhuru Kenyatta and Mwai Kibaki hosted religious services there, but they never turned it into a church. By trying to make a region part of a State House itself, I want to say that the president, that's Ruto, was crossing into new territory. And now, the courts have pushed back. Finally, the November 18th hearing will be critical. If the court rules permanently against religious structures in State House, I want to tell you that it will set a historic moments. It will mean a region must stay out of government institutions. And that could change Kenya's politics forever. So, ladies and gentlemen, what do you think? Is the court right to stop churches in State House? Or is this an attack on freedom of worship? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'll be reading them all. And if you're new here, subscribe for more bold political analysis and updates. Kenya's politics is heating up, and we are here to break it all down for you. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, stay sharp and stay informed. Goodbye.